Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming iMessage is active and that you're in the right conversation. Open Settings, make sure iMessage is turned on, then launch Messages and select the person or group. Once you're in the chat, tap the text field and compose the message you want to amplify. This works for text, emoji, or a link. Make sure the recipient can receive iMessages, blue bubbles, because effects don't work with SMS. Now you apply the echo effect. After composing, press and hold the blue send arrow. This opens the effects panel. Tap the screen tab at the top, then swipe left or right through the options until you see echo. Preview it so you know how it will look. Echo replicates your message across the screen for dramatic emphasis. You do this because the screen-level animation surrounds the entire conversation rather than just the bubble. Finally, tap Send while Echo is selected to deliver the animated message. Once sent, the recipient will see the message play across their screen if their device supports iMessage effects. If nothing happens, make sure both devices have iMessage enabled and a modern iOS. Echo won't show over SMS or with reduce motion on. If problems persist, restart Messages, update iOS, or toggle reduce motion off under Settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.